It feels like our thinking is getting simpler, even though technology keeps advancing. Do you think machines are making us less capable of deep thought?
I get that concern, but maybe it's not decline, it's a shift. We're moving from memorizing everything to outsourcing information, like using an external hard drive.
True, but doesn't relying on external storage risk, losing our ability to think deeply, like how we once valued memory and personal knowledge?
Not necessarily. When the mind is less cluttered, it can focus on higher level tasks. Just like a computer offloads data to function faster, we might be freeing ourselves for creativity.
That's an interesting analogy. But where do love, respect, and trust fit in? Aren't those human values fading in a machine driven world?
I think they're not fading, but transforming. With less mental overload, we can engage more authentically in dialogue and relationships. It's about using the empty space wisely.
But in the past, people remembered everything: stories, methods, even survival knowledge. Didn't that make them more grounded?
It did, but remember, each era builds on the last. We absorbed analog culture, then electronic, now digital. Each step compresses human experience, not erases it.
So you're saying simplification now is like clearing the canvas before a new masterpiece?
Exactly. We're not getting duller. We're preparing for more complex, higher tasks by freeing up cognitive space.
Yet many people feel they're losing control, like machines are thinking for them. How do we avoid that trap?
By conscious use, technology should serve as a tool, not a crutch. We need to cultivate dialogue, empathy, and ethical sharing of knowledge to keep our humanity intact.
That idea of sharing knowledge resonates. The text suggests knowledge isn't ours to own, but to return to humanity. Do you think society's ready for that?
Slowly, we're entering what you might call a preservation age, where everything is stored and accessible. But respect and generosity will define who's truly respected in this new era.
So our challenge isn't just learning, but knowing how to use and share what we've learned?
Exactly. Without sharing, knowledge becomes stagnant. With sharing, it becomes a living force for progress.
That shifts the focus from hoarding information to creating value with it, almost like turning data into wisdom.
Yes, and that's why simplification isn't regression. It's an evolution. We're clearing noise to build something unprecedented.
So maybe the real question isn't, are we becoming simpler, but are we ready to act with the knowledge we've stored?
Perfectly put. Progress demands not just data, but dialogue, face to face, idea to idea, so we can transform storage into action.
Then perhaps our next step as humans is learning how to live this empty mind era with purpose, not fear.
Absolutely. Emptiness can be clarity, not loss. And with clarity, maybe we're closer to true advancement than we think.
That's a hopeful take. It makes me wonder what kind of masterpiece humanity will paint with this new cognitive freedom.
That's the exciting part. We're all about to find out.